The explosion-proof filling machine is designed to ensure safe liquid filling in flammable and explosive environments. It is primarily used for handling highly flammable and explosive liquids, such as high-concentration alcohol, over 75%, solvents, chemicals, and paints, ensuring safe operation in hazardous environments like chemical plants and alcohol production workshops. The filling machine is equipped with an explosion-proof motor, explosion-proof electrical control system, and has an explosion-proof rating of IIB T4, ensuring safe operation in flammable and explosive environments. The machine uses a servo motor-driven gear pump for filling, with a wide filling range, from 3 milliliters to unlimited, adjustable filling speed, and precise filling volume control. The entire machine is made of high-quality components, such as Delta PLC and touchscreen, AirTac pneumatic components, and HCFA servo motors, ensuring efficient and stable operation.